Hey, it's so cold. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the Pixar channel and Happy New Year's. What's after life? I don't know the dance. My name is Mathilde and I actually just lied to you. It's not New Year's, but it is the last full day in office where everybody's kind of here. So we're gonna have our weekly team lunch, which is pizza. Yeah, you heard that right. So naturally today's already gonna be a good day. So I'm gonna put those good vibes to use and spend the rest of the day kind of doing a yearly reset. I want to reflect on the year that has just gone by so quickly. I want to kind of take time to kind of appreciate everything that has happened in my life and take this opportunity as well to like manifest and like set some goals for the next year so that I can start January with a clear intention of what I want to do. I've done this a few times in the past and it's really helped because I know like not everybody believes in like manifestation, but I think it's more about like starting every year with like what you want to do, like goals and intentions, and like every decision that you make and every like choice that you make is kind of influenced by like your end goal. And I think that's kind of really helpful, especially like when there's a lot of things thrown your way and you're like stressed about a lot of things. It's like really easy to just like keep a clear picture of what you want to achieve in a year. So here are the things that I want to get done today. First of all, I'm going to do a yearly recap. Then I'm going to make a vision board. I'm going to do like a calendar setup. I'm not sure if I want physical copies of anything yet or if I want to do it all digitally. We'll figure it out as we go along. That's the beauty of vlogs, because I don't know what I'm doing and I have absolutely no plan and you're just going to watch me do it. So I've already been in the office this morning and I purposely left so that I could buy myself a little snack and film this intro, but I left my purse upstairs, so now I can't buy a little snack. You might be thinking, why don't you just go upstairs and get your purse and then come back down? I could, but I also don't have my key card to come in, so every time that I need to go into the office, it's like a whole fiasco of me having to ask like 5 billion people to open the door for me. Maybe I should not vlog when I'm crossing the street. That's a good idea. Okay, bye. I'm making coffee, but while I'm doing that, let me tell you what my plan of the day is. Wait, no, I don't want... Okay, maybe I'm not making coffee. Okay. It's fine, it's working now. Let me press the actual right button. Well, that's being very loudly made. Let me tell you what I'm going to be doing first. Usually I like to start with a recap of the year, and I normally do this on like a scrapbook, physical like journaling, or I make like a video, like a little TikTok. I think this year I want it to be more like a reminder for myself. So I was trying to think like, should I make a poster? Should I like do something that I'm gonna see every day? And I thought that I would instead make a little Instagram carousel, because yes, I'm obsessed with myself, and yes, I look at my Instagram feed multiple times throughout the day. I've really been enjoying making carousels recently. I made one for TikTok the other day and it actually like, I don't know, I'm a journaling girly. So like the fact that I can get the best parts of journaling, which is like getting pictures and like together and like using little stickers, and don't have to do the worst parts of journaling, which is getting my fingers really sticky because I'm messy. Thanks Pixar, not spawned. Well, no. Lunchtime. Sarah, yeah, you can. That's so funny. Sorry. I feel like I've started every clip in this video by going, I don't know if you can hear me, but there's music in the background. So I've actually finished the first activity. It was really nice to actually like reflect on the year, because there were so many things, especially when I was looking through my pictures. I keep all my pictures throughout the year on an external drive because I ran out of storage on my phone. It's really nice to like look through my images and like pictures and videos and stuff like that, because so many things that I forgot had happened this year happened. Like I literally forgot I graduated and I was looking through like my pictures and I was like, this was a pretty big thing that I didn't even post on Instagram. So I made the little collage thing. I think it's pretty cute. I'm gonna work on my vision board. Guys, I'm so excited for this because I usually do make vision boards, but I make them on Pinterest, which basically means I just get all the pictures and save them there, and yeah, I can look at it like if I go on my Pinterest account and then click on my board and then scroll through it. I want to have it more like visual this year, so I'm gonna try and like make a little collage out of it. I actually do think that I want to print this one, so let's make it and then I'll figure out how to do that, because I kind of want to make it quite big. I want to make it bigger than like A4 because I want to be able to really visualize and set my goals. Let's break down how to actually build a vision board, because I feel like every time that I talk about this with anyone, they're like, yeah, okay, is that like kind of just like a mood board with pictures? Kind of, but also no. The first thing that I usually do is like set intentions. Is this going to be like a year of you working towards certain goals? Do you want to like slow down more? Genuinely just like goals in life that you have. I say make them achievable, because you don't want to be looking at something like a Grammy in your wall and then at the end of the year you're like, I didn't achieve that. Because yeah, if you never made music before, yeah, maybe don't put a Grammy on your vision board, because I don't think that's going to happen within the span of a year. You can put it as like a long-term goal, but I think for me, I personally like to focus more on year-long goals, or even couple months. Sometimes I have things that I want to achieve in the next 6 months, in the next 3 months, in the next month or so. Visually, it's also really helpful to kind of break down the elements. Don't include too much of one thing. Like if a goal of yours, for example, is to spend more time with friends and family, don't only have pictures of people, because I think that looks very overwhelming aesthetically. Maybe break it down, have like pictures of sceneries or like quotes or things like that. Said that, I have no idea what I'm going to include in my vision board, because I have not planned this far ahead. So let's work on that vision board. What time is it? Oh, also update, lunch was great. Shout out Pixar for paying for that. Really liked it, guys. 10 out of 10. Let's get started on this, otherwise I'm gonna be here all night. I'm back in the lift. I finished my vision board. It currently looks like this. I think it's so cute, and I think it's so cute that I decided that I was going to go out and print it. Now I think the printing shop only prints it out to A3. I was saying, I think the printing shop only does it up to A3, and I initially planned it to be A5, no, A2. Not sure if the quality will work or if it's big enough, but we're gonna print it out and see. If I want it bigger, I can always print it out later, because I made it digitally. I think that's like the advantage of making it digitally as opposed to like making an actual scrapbook. I can't say that word, digitally. That's an advantage, because I can just keep like reprinting them, using it as wallpaper, which I'm definitely going to do on my iPad. And also you can just add anything that you want throughout the year. That's like big bonus, because what if it gets to February and you suddenly have like a whole new goal? Are you going to make a whole new vision board? No. Probably. Let's be real, I'll change up aesthetics way too quickly. But right now, I'm really happy with my vision board. Like, I'm excited. I'm excited for the next year. Let's go. Too much stuff in my hands right now to like vlog. I don't know how to do this. I printed it. It's really cute. The woman at the shop was so nice, and we were just like laughing, having a little laugh, printing it out. I'll do like a review. I can't. Oh my god. Wind is not a fan of my YouTube ventures. I realized that I printed off the wrong version, because it's not the version with the text, but it's okay. You know what? It doesn't matter. I'm gonna put this one like above my bed, and I'm gonna put another one to go in the office maybe, because I think it's so cute, and you can just frame it, or you can just like do a little like blue tuck moment. I think it's gonna be really cute. Guys, why am I actually excited for the new year? Oh my god. Moving on to my next activity of the day, and my last activity of the day before I lose my mind from looking at my screen for so many hours, doing my calendar reset. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not the type of person to have actual stuff written down on my calendar, because I forget to write stuff on my calendar. The only way that I remember to do stuff is if I have it on my reminders app. However, I regularly forget what day of the week it is. So that's actually what I use the calendar for, like the good old-fashioned use of the calendar, like what the calendar was intended for, just tracking the days. I'm literally running out of places to film, and my tripod's broken for some reason, so I have to... Is this okay? I hope it's okay. It is currently 4:30 and I have achieved my mission of completing all 3 tasks for the day. I'm actually very excited. The last one, I didn't really film much because my camera did run out of battery halfway through, so I had to redo everything. You're welcome. I think I'm actually very excited for the new year. I hope that you guys took some inspiration from this video. If you make any of the things that I made today, if you make an Instagram carousel, if you make a vision board, if you make some calendars, make sure you tag us in it. I'll look through it. I'm always on Instagram stories, so I'll repost anything that I see that I think is cute. And as always, you can follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, and Facebook. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye.